Good morning everyone and welcome back sa channel ko. It's me, Pearl. It's weekend, umagang-umaga at gagala na naman si Inday at si Dudong. We are going to Pokeno. Ang Pokeno is isang fast-growing town na located siya sa north of Waikato District, New Zealand. Ang Pokeno ay famous siya sa ice creams, bacon, and sausages. Pokeno derives from the Maori village of Pokeno, from the two words puker and no. We're here at Pokeno Falls. From Auckland City to Pokeno Falls, it takes 40 to 15 minutes drive. It's nice but too small. If you want to go, it's better. It's a sunny day. Quiet and peaceful place. Kung kailangan mo ng panghinga mula trabaho or bahay, nindot siya na lugar para mag-relax. Pero dili siya kaayo dako nga falls, pero very relaxing. Pwede mag-picnic dire. Naay history naka-attach to this place. May parking available dito para sa mga cars and camper van. A calm and nice place. There are two waterfalls in the same area. A short walk, about 10 minutes, to reach the waterfalls. Salamat, walang tao dahil maaga kaming dumating. Mahirap hanapin ng lugar because there's no visible signage. Hindi masyadong magandang lugar para sa mga bata, but adults can take a dip. Nindot maglabing-labing dire. Nag-imot-imot mi sa kumbana, tanawa rao with the falls, di ba? Background. Nice kaayo no. So pa-end na ang winter. So next month is September na. It's springtime na diri sa New Zealand. So dili na kaayo grabe ka bugnaw. Carry ra kaayo. Padung nami mag-breakfast. Time check, it's 8:30 in the morning. Nice weather. We're here in Pokeno Country Cafe. So ari mi diri mag-breakfast. It is an old-style cafe. Naa sila indoor and covered outdoor setting. Marami silang options like bacon, eggs, sausages, and toast bread. Nindot, wonderful friendly service and great quality food and drinks for a good price. Kung naghahanap ka ng masarap at maayos na breakfast, this is the right place for you. After our breakfast, we went for a short walk and sightseeing. A small town with few people. Parang wala yatang traffic dito. Ang mga tao diri kay friendly and smiling. It's Saturday. Siguro tahimik dito tuwing weekend. We're here now in Idia. Dito lang din sa Pokeno. It's a big warehouse. They sell house furniture like sofa, dining set, housewares, clothes, and many more. Grabe siya kadako na warehouse. Nahurot jud among oras diri. you can check or visit their website.
Kasagaran ng pang-display nila is pang winter. Daghan nindot dire, pero medyo pricey lang ang mga clothes nila.
Mauna ang tag-iya, buton kis auntie oy.
Very accommodating kaayo ang tag-iya, gipa snacks pa jud mi. There's a variety of food like Indian snacks. We are now heading to Pokikoy Hill. Medyo gloomy na ang weather. Walay traffic, mingaw kaayo ang daan. We are here in Pokikoy Hill. Nice scenic spots. Sakto para magpahuway diri.
Pasensya mo sa akong tingog ha, medyo napagaw jud ko diring dapita. With nice scenic spots diri, dindot mag picnic with family and friends, kay overlooking man siya. This reserve is a good place for nature lovers and suitable for walking and running. A 360-degree view, nindot kaayo nga chances for amazing photos. Very stunning ilahang landscapes. They also have parking area. Kabundak ko na jud ang uwan, taligsik na diri. Nagpasilong na jud mi, lisod na mi sa sakyanan kay murag ni kusog ni bundak na gyud ang uwan. Time check, it's 1:45, so mobalik na mi sa amo ang duol sa amo ang balay, kay adto na lang mi mag lunch kay medyo gutom na jud. Nag-crave akong bana og Vietnamese food. Medyo gutom na jud kay hapit na alas 2. Nga, ganahan siya mohigop og sabaw kay medyo bugnaw daw ang panahon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you everyone. Bye.